We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC L2717 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace the toner. So if you've been getting a replace toner warning, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a very simple process. So you want to start off by making sure that your printer is turned on. And then what we're going to do is we're going to need to lower this front cover here. So on the front sides, on each side of it, there's going to be a little finger notch. And just pull down on those finger notches and you can lower this front cover. And then when you look down into the machine, you'll see a handle right in the middle. We're just going to grab that handle, lift up slightly, and pull straight out. And now what you've actually done is pulled out both the drum and the toner together. So now we need to separate our toner cartridge from our drum in order to replace it. And to do that, you push on this little green button on the front left side of the drum. Once you do that, you can lift and rotate the toner straight out of the drum. So what you'll do is unpack and get your new toner cartridge ready to go. Once you have your new toner cartridge ready, you're just going to install it into your drum, slide the front of the toner in, and then press down until it clicks firmly down into place. So now that once you have the toner reseated into the drum, we can go ahead and install this whole unit back inside the printer. Press firmly back in place, make sure it's seated all the way across. Go ahead and close that front cover. It'll give the printer a second to initialize. And once it's done initializing, it'll realize that there's a new toner cartridge in there. And there you go, our error code's gone away, and you have a brand new toner cartridge inside the printer. So if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd be glad to help you out with those. Also, if there's any way we can help supply you with any of your office supplies or printer supply needs, please let us know. I'd love to help supply this for you as well. Other than that, we have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.